Hey, this is the one and only storyteller out here at the tent this morning. Just giving you an idea of what's been going on. We did paint the truck this morning, as you can well see. It turned out beautiful. I don't know if you can really tell the color. You probably really won't be able to tell the color until I get it out in the sunlight. But folks, we are done. We are completely 100% done. There again, you'll be able to see this hood in the daylight, but this hood, if I'm not mistaken, this hood had 49 dents in it. In this area right here, in that area right there, was a huge cave-in that I had to pull back out the best I could and then remake the line in the hood. As you can tell, it looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. It did pick up a piece of trash here, and there's a couple there's another one right there. I don't know if you can see it, it may be in the way. Yeah, right there. Other than that, there's not any dents left in the vehicle. Let me get out here in the sun where you can see me. So it's been about an hour since it's been painted. I did not have to use a whole lot of catalyst due to the heat of today. So I am going to pull the paper off here in probably about another 30 minutes to an hour. And yeah, we're going to close the tent back up and let the natural sun be the baking oven for the paint. And sometime tomorrow, we get back from fishing, me and my wife and little boy, we're gonna pull the truck out of the tent and somewhere out into the yard, and that way I can start putting the glass, the doors, the door sash in, and start putting windows and things of that nature back in the truck. Door panels, speakers, all that type of stuff. Or I can put it back in the truck and we can get on with this business. We can get further down the road. So it's finally done. It's finally finished as far as paint work is concerned. I'm very well pleased. Very well pleased. I was going to say I enjoyed it, but there's been most days that I haven't enjoyed it. There has been a few days I have enjoyed. It's just been a lot of struggle, a lot of strife, a lot of pain. But we're there, we're done, and there's the final product. No more $80 a quart paint. Oh, I do meant to show you, now that I'm thinking about it, I did mean to show you what I've been using. I don't know if I've done that yet or not. Seems like I have mentioned it a couple times, but I haven't really done it. So let's see. Let me show you what I've been using. All right, so here's just an old Harbor Freight gun. It worked really well, as you can tell. I have spares. Sometimes you need spares, so I have a few spares. But this stuff here I got from Amazon, and it is the most fantastic clear that I have ever shot in my career. There's the activator. I tell you what, there's about a quart left in there, but it is amazing. This is the paint that I used, Nason. The color is a dark mean blue metallic. So yeah, so those are the products that I use. The clear had a 4.6, 4.8 star review, or maybe it was a 5-star. It was exceedingly high. It was exceedingly high star review, and I can see why. I plan on personally, there's like 4,000 comments, and I personally will be going and placing my comment there also about how good that product is. That product, 1 gallon of clear and a hardener, only costs $100. $100, and you can tell by the way it laid and the way it sprayed, you know, that's a heck of a deal. I mean, that's just miraculous. It's funny, 1 quart of paint costs $80, 1 gallon of clear costs $100. Kind of tells you who's making all the money in this world, but that's all right too. You know, as long as you got enough to go around, that's all that counts. You know, it's as long as there's food on the table, the bills are paid, a little money in your pocket, you know, it's good to go. You know, we're all good to go, no problem. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm going to unmask the truck in about 30 minutes now, and then I am going to start another video. I'll show you what it looks like unmasked, so, and complete as a truck and not partially taped up. So appreciate. Hey, wow, you can actually see me. Ooh, that's some good paint right there, boys. I'm really proud of the truck. It turned out really well. I said I'd run a short video after I got it all untaped. So that was yesterday afternoon. I had to wind up mowing the grass, doing several other things, so I didn't get to take the video yesterday afternoon. So today I'm out here. We're taking a look at the truck. And as you can see, it is slick. Slicker than owl's snot, as the old people would say. It's about as slick as you can get. I don't think you can get it any slicker. I counted last night. I will show what I plan on doing is showing the pictures of the hood in the beginning and leading up to the painting part. So I don't actually have any video of the painting. So that's what I'm going to do, is stage the pictures up until it's painted. This hood had 51 dents in it with one big, large crease right inside here, which I'll show the picture of it. That's what I plan on doing. Show the picture of it before I strip it. Show the picture of it after it's stripped. Then I'll show you where I marked with a marker with an X and a circle each dent that I found, and then I blocked it out, and I went back and marked them again for the ones that were hidden. So that's what I plan on doing. It's I think that's the best thing to do, because I have no video. I don't have anybody to shoot video for me. My wife is stay-at-home mother. We homeschool our little boy, and he, be honest with you, he's young, and he don't sit still long enough for her to be able to film for me. I don't have anybody locally that would probably want to take on that task. So this is the best way for me to do it at this time. I guess if we get into the 20,000 range, 20,000 subscribers, you know, decent comments, I guess I might be able to hire somebody to come out in the afternoons, and we can film a little bit. But we're going to be running three different segments at one time, I think. 2003 Mustang GT that I had to build the engine in. The 79 Ford pickup, and the 70 model Mach 1 Mustang. We're going to be running all three. I plan on running 2 each week, like the Mustang. The 2 Mustangs 1 week. The Mustang in the truck the 2nd week. So on and so on. Like I said, I don't have an editor. To be honest with you, I've been talked into trying this a lick. So we're going to try it. We're going to give it our best shot. But I'm not in it wholeheartedly unless y'all convince me to be wholeheartedly about it. And tell me that, you know, I should continue. So other than that, we're just going to do what we do and go along and get what we can get done and be who we are. And we'll be seeing you. Like, subscribe, share, ring the bell, leave a comment. If you leave a negative comment, all I ask is that you please leave a positive comment last, like have a nice day. Do not leave anyone in a negative position. And we'll be seeing y'all. Thanks for stopping by.